Are you gonna watch Mummy drive the truck?
No, I want to come with you.
Oh, you can't, Baba. You can't get car seats in the truck.
No.
Are you gonna watch Mummy, Addie?
I sit in your back with you.
Oh, I'd love you to, Bubby, but you're gonna have to follow me in the car.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh.
This is a baptism of freaking fire. We're in rush hour, and I'm driving a manual for the first time in freaking ages. Oh. Ah! Oh, that's just a reverse gear. That's not even a fucking. It's not even first. Oh. You go, babe. I'll catch up. There's a car behind you. I gotta do a hill start. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh shit, this is terrible! This is so scary! So we're using this bad boy to pick up all the concrete from the backyard and take it to the dump. That's why we hired this truck. But only I can drive it because I can drive a manual and Ryan can't. So, sucks to be me. The anxiety I feel every time I have to take off is epic. Like an arrogant sod and then just move on with it. No, wait, mate. How it works. It's quite fun to drive. Terrifying, but fun. This is the truck from City Hire at Calvin Grove. So this whole thing tips up like that. So it should make the concrete removal relatively easy. Ryan's filling up a load now, so we can just get going straight away in the morning. Ryan's just loaded up the little truckie. How'd that go? Was it alright? You saw?
My wrist was sore from that.
Really?
But that was about half an hour.
You got titty sweat. E. Tit dirt.
Half an hour on my own. So.
Oh, that's not too bad.
And it should be half an hour turnaround.
Okay.
Like, up there and back.
Yeah,
so
sweet.
if you think how many we can get done in a day, times 2, figure out the weight, 2 tons.
Yeah, cool.
Early the next morning.
What time is it?
We're early, mate. It's like 7. Gonna go drive my truck, get rid of me concrete. Just do it, you know, just the average morning, Saturday morning, mate.
Anyway, 7:08, go on, crack on.
Right.
Huh? Don't be, just call me when you get there so I can register those numbers.
Yes.
Watch yourself. Alright, see you in a bit. Good luck. Oh, I'll get you another thing you need. Wait there. The hire docket.
So I'm going to say this is not commercial.
It's not commercial, it's residential, yeah. And if they need proof, just show them the docket.
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. Good luck.
Taking off. Yeah.
Taking off?
Yeah.
Cool. Are you going to fly in that, yeah? You're going to fly, eh? I think she meant driving away.